Hello, if you want to try another question from the same topic, click on the information bar here. If you want to try this question yourself, pause the video now. If you've got the answer D, well done. If you want to hear my explanation, keep watching. So the diagram shows a temperature sensing circuit. The temperature of the thermistor is decreased. Which row shows the changes to the ammeter reading and the voltmeter reading? Well, we've got a thermistor here, and the first thing we need to note is that when the temperature of the thermistor decreases, the resistance of the thermistor will increase. Well, if the resistance increases, that's going to reduce the current through the whole circuit. So it's going to be one of these two options. The other thing we now need to work out is what's going to happen to this potential difference. Well, the potential difference of the supply is going to be shared between these two resistors in the proportions of their resistances. So if I just call that resistance R, then the potential difference across the thermistor over the potential difference across resistor R is going to be equal to the resistance of the thermistor over the resistance of resistor R. So as the resistance of the thermistor increases, the potential difference across the thermistor will increase. In other words, the voltmeter reading will increase. So the answer is D. If you found that useful, hit the subscribe button, share these videos with your friends, leave any comments that might be useful in me making better videos for you in the future. Thank you for watching.